Rectangle ABCD and rectangle MNPQ have the same perimeter. The breadth of rectangle ABCD is twice the breadth of rectangle MNPQ. The ratio of the length of rectangle ABCD to that of rectangle MNPQ is 11:13. The breadth of rectangle ABCD is 28 cm shorter than its length. Find the area of rectangle MNPQ. Now let's pause the video so that you can complete the question yourself first. Area question. Firstly is that let's draw out the scenario. We have got two rectangles. We have got rectangle ABCD. Let's draw ABCD first. Okay. A, B, C, D. And MNPQ. How to draw? I don't know yet. We have to think. Alright. And it says that it has got they both have the same perimeter. Keep this in mind. Underline it. Next clue. The breadth of rectangle ABCD is twice. The breadth is twice the breadth of MNPQ. That means to say that if I'm going to have this as 2 units, my MNPQ would then have a shorter breadth and a longer length, right? Because the parameters are the same. M N P Q, and this one would then be like 1 unit because it's half of the breadth of ABCD. Okay, this sounds good so far, so good. The ratio of the length of the rectangle ABCD to that of rectangle MNPQ is 11:13. I cannot equate them to be units because they are different measurements. So I will call this to be 11 parts and 13 parts. Let me just do the top part as well. Okay, now let's finish. You have finished basically transferred the necessary information, right? 11:13. Okay, let's hold on to the last part of information, the difference between the breadth and the length. Okay, now let's take a look at this question. Interestingly, they're supposed to have the same parameter. If you're going to add up all these, let's assume that the parts of the units are the same. What are we going to have for this rectangle ABCD? I will then have 4 units plus the 22 parts, right? I will actually get 26 pieces or units and parts. Not sure which one should I use first. Whereas for M and PQ, I'm going to add them together. I've got 2 units plus 26 parts. I will have 28. Okay? Now, remember it says they both are supposed to have same parameter. Are they the same parameter now? No, making to be the same. Now, I can either increase the unit or increase the part for ABCD. I will have difficulty doing for the parts. So therefore, let me try increasing the units here. So what I do is, instead of having this, I'm going to, okay, look at this, ABCD. Instead of 4 units, I'm going to increase to double of it, becomes 8 units. The parts remain to be the same. And this, because if I increase the 4 units by double, I must do the likewise for the 2 units. So becomes 4 units, and this is remaining to be 26 parts. But they're not affecting each other because they're both different counts. Look at it. 8 plus 22, I got 30. 4 plus 26, I got 30. That means to say now I have put both the units and parts to be the same already, right? So I can put them together. So I'm going to change this to parts because they are now of the same measurement. So here I have got 30 parts and I have got 30 parts over here. So that means to say my parameter are the same. So I'm going to make use of the last piece of information. It says that the breadth of the rectangle ABCD is 28 cm shorter than its length. So this will change. Remember, it's going to become 4 parts, 4 parts. This is 2 parts. This is 2 parts, right? So that this fulfills the scenario. It says here the breadth is 28 cm shorter. So now I'm comparing these 4 parts and these 11 parts. The difference is, remember, shorter means I'm comparing the difference. That means I'm going to minus 11 minus 4 would be 7. So solving the question, 7 parts is 28, 1 part is 4, and I'm asked to find the area of MNPQ. So 2 parts will then be 8, 13 parts would then be 13 times 4 would be 52. So the answer would be 8 centimeter multiplied by 52 centimeter, and the answer will be 416 square centimeter. That's the answer for this question.